What's up, everybody? Today, I would like to invite you to a gallery of visual for Power BI. Most of data analysts, BI analysts, they need the tools for their data storytelling to customers. Power BI is the right tools. We can get the benefit of the all different visual. Let's look at together. Bar and columns used to compare value across different categories. For example, in the case of you have a sales performance across different regions, use a bar chart. As you can see here, we have a bar chart, horizontal rectangle, and vertical rectangle based on column. Depend on what space of your report, you can use one of them. Is comparing, for example, Austria with the other countries. Uh, and then we have a stack bar chart and cluster bar chart. A stack bar chart used to compare total sales across categories and show the contribution of each category to the total. As you may see here, for each month, we can understand female or male how much they buy. For a stack column chart would be the same, but is like the column. So the shape will be different. In the vertical column, you can see the data. Cluster bar chart and cluster column chart depend of the bar or column. You may have information of compares value across the different categories, with each category represented by separate cluster. As you can see here, female is different cluster and male is different. You can have a same on the column. We have 100% stack bar and chart, and also we have the column based, means that display the percentage of the contribution each category to the total within each groups. Combo chart in the Power BI combine two different chart types into a single visual, allowing you to present and compare different type of data in a one chart. Typically, one data series is represented using bar or column, like here in the each months. And then another data series show line and area, and so it's depend of the sales. As you can see, we have the sales, we have a female and male, and we have a line of the cost. So the many of aspect of data can be present by the combo chart. In conclusion for today, column and bar chart are powerful visualization tools in a Power BI, ideal for comparing values across different categories such as sales performance across region, product categories, or time period. Their simplicity and effectiveness make them essential for gaining insight into data trend and patterns. If you are interested in exploring other visualization technique and unlocking further insight into your data, join us on the Artful Data, and please subscribe and embark on a journey of exploration and discovery with Artful Data.